Wow, it is. It is.
And if we're gonna have a party, we got to bring in the party girl. So back in the day when dinosaurs roamed the earth, people actually went on dates. Yes, they did. But fast forward to the 21st century, filled with technology. Persons date and they're funny. So here's what I find so funny all about this. When a lot of us were teenagers, all we could do was text, and we couldn't wait to actually date. But no, it's like it's reversed. It's textationships. We don't have time to go out so much as to send a text. And here to talk us through it is Trish. Now, we might see somebody else, and if him come, trust me, you're not going to be able to miss him.
It's going to be a lot of
We're not going to be able to miss him. So, for now, we're going to have a girls' chat with Trish, and maybe we can rope in DJ Fire. Trish, do you find... Good morning, by the way.
Hi, beautiful.
Morning.
If you don't know this lady, you're not on social media.
Yeah,
Let's
man.
just leave it at that. You don't know if you're not on social media. Me love, her 10-year challenge is nothing on her.
Nothing
you
on
guys.
her. Nothing at
So,
all.
do you find that textationships are more common than actual relationships these days?
I definitely think so, because it's so easy to just pick up your phone and just send a text with the whole social media thing, with the apps and everything. The first thing somebody does is jump in your inbox or send a WhatsApp, and then it becomes a pattern. Like, they don't make any effort to start a date. It just keeps happening as a text, as a text.
You mean effort to even have a conversation on the phone?
There you go.
Because I realize what is a trend now is persons are like, even if they see you calling them, right? They'll be like,
Can't take the call.
they don't
Write a
they
text.
don't take the call, and then they'll send you a message right after. Hey,
after.
you were calling me. Why you couldn't answer the phone?
Because them probably don't want to talk to you. No, I don't understand you good. If they don't answer the phone,
true,
it's
but
one
that's a
clear
trend.
statement. I don't want to talk to you. So I will send you the message. All right, here's the thing. What is textationship? Them say it's a texting relationship where the person texts you all the time but never made the effort to call or see you. How do you make a textationship work?
Why would I want my
textationship
work?
She reads me now. Would you want to have a
The
textationship
thing
over
about
a
it is that
relationship, Trish?
let's not abolish texting. Texting is kind of good. It's a good way to keep contact, to check in, and to keep contact constantly. It's also kind of cool to text, because sometimes we can't talk. Like, you can be in a forum where you can't talk, but you can text. When it becomes a problem is if it's only texting.
I told you that, we might see somebody and we couldn't miss him if we see him. So, the real big man
really
has joined us, and he came into a bright yellow shirt because he wanted to be seen. So he has to come on stage. Bring him, come man. We're going to make it work this morning. Good morning. Where you coming from, Salid?
All right. Work last night.
So did we?
Yeah.
I know.
Okay.
I'm gonna work done 2 o'clock.
No, sir.
My work done 4:30 this morning.
All right, let's move on from there.
Okay.
Are you in a textationship or a relationship?
I'm in a relationship.
Okay.
A full-blown relationship.
Okay, and that includes a textationship.
Textationship night, but you have to learn for lower. Your text.
Textation.
Your text expectation.
Yes.
Okay, and what can you expect if you don't lower your text expectations?
All right, if you don't lower the expectation of the person texting, sometimes it all depends on it, because you have, and I think that most persons that are in textationships are persons that are in different countries, or different time zones, or different parishes, or something. Like mostly nowadays, long distance relationship is the textationship.
No, but we have so many other platforms. You have FaceTime, you have Skype, when nobody probably don't really use it. WhatsApp video call. Why? I mean, if you're not
Even
texting,
Instagram has video calls.
You even if I pay for call me no more with WhatsApp.
No,
come on.
You have to understand. You have some people literally do not take WhatsApp call,
That's true. I don't like
and
that
don't
either.
take video call any at all,
I don't.
Yeah,
use
but if you're in a relationship with someone, why wouldn't I want to take that?
Right. Because they might hide something from you. Okay, I don't know if y'all pay attention
It's
to
a good
Trish's
way to
page.
multitask.
It is.
I don't know if you
It
pay
is.
attention to Trish's page, right? But she stir up lots of stuff on social media. she like post some things and then she just left you in the Gideon and then people discuss it and then it
And
turns
you're
into one
wondering
big
like,
fight. Like, what's happening here? So, have you ever posted anything that is in regard to a textationship? I saw some, no, I'm not asking, I see it by your page.
Oh, okay.
When you say,
Call out, you know.
yeah, man, I see it. When you say, if somebody don't text you back after a certain amount of time, it probably means that you're not in a relationship. Where did that post come from?
Well, a lot of my posts come from I try to post things that are relatable, so it's not necessarily my situation.
It's not your business, you're telling me.
No.
Okay, let's get that clear.
Yes. But the real truth is that honestly, if you text somebody and they take like 24 hours to respond, they don't really regard you. Because everybody's phone is in their hand.
Yes,
that's not
most
true.
times.
I don't have my phone in my
But
hand.
for 24
all the
hours
time.
you never
24
saw.
hours,
And
you know,
sometimes-
you don't check your phone 24 hours.
First of all, right, that's not gonna happen to Boo. Boo is priority. So
You
let's-
understand?
let's-
Hold on.
Who is priority?
So let us say, hypothetically speaking, that the person is working
You have a special ring.
and the person is
For 24
away from the
hours?
phone.
For 24 hours?
24 hours, it all
You really
depends
use
on
a
the person.
soldier?
No,
You
no,
depend
no,
soldier
but
can?
No,
listen up,
guys, it's
listen up,
possible.
listen up,
All right,
man.
we're
Listen
split
up, man.
down the middle
This is
here.
about the expectation and the textationship. You know?
Okay, well,
You understand?
this is where you are no longer a priority.
Yes,
Because if
you're an
I'm your
option.
priority, then you're supposed to be thinking about
But
me.
suppose me vex with you. I suppose
Okay,
me decide
but
to
that's
put you
different.
on
But
bars.
guess what too?
That's different if you vex.
I think I'm supposed to have an idea of what you do. So if it is that you are working and you have work for 24 hours, I should even have an idea. Say, okay,
He's
if I'm not
working, don't
18,
disturb him
or
right
maybe
now.
20, or maybe even 24. So
You
if
know
if I'm
what?
for
You know
24,
what it is though? Sometimes with these so-called textationships is that one of us is in a relationship and one of us isn't.
Right.
Oh dear.
Right.
Hitting the nail on the
basically-
head
So
there.
basically, so if you understand,
So
say
we're
I
not
text
on the
people,
same
man, then.
page.
Right.
If you text people, man, if you understand, say.
Ouch.
People man not
Oh,
go
he
text you
went
all
there.
the time.
Oops.
And I like, cause most time when the person in a textationship,
or woman.
you as the woman have your man and me have my woman, but the two we in a textationship. Where me keep your company and you keep my company, because sometimes
Every
the
now
your
and then, that's what you
significant
call
other,
So then your
other isn't that
significant other might
interesting
be
on
beside
text.
you.
Wow.
This is
So why
something
would
here.
you bother to do that
is
though?
something.
For you to be chatting up to somebody else just because your significant other don't want to chat up?
Because I said,
No.
go. Because, all right, hold on.
I know. I think Trippie
I
has been
think
real.
I think the work boyfriend
real.
and the work girlfriend that change into the text girlfriend and the text boyfriend nowadays.
Okay.
I remember normally your girlfriend have somebody at work where them link up and hi boo and hug up when them reach the coffee machine and
true.
them make coffee and them lunch together and them, but them think they kind of done because they know say a different
The
world.
last
is
time
now.
a friend of
Yes.
mine told me that she had a
Puts on
work
the
husband.
sleeves.
Yes.
Really?
The last
do
time a
that.
friend of mine told me that she had a work husband. Her work husband is not her actual husband.
Oh,
So
wow.
Let's just say you don't need to be making work husbands like that.
God bless them. Me not about me tell her
I
that.
don't tell you. DJ Fire, you ever not respond to somebody for 24 hours on a text station?
All right. Honestly, if you don't reply for 24 hours, the way females set nowadays, you're getting a problem. So, to avoid the problem, just give her one text and say, you know, either I'm at
You
work.
not answer my question. You see, you go around the thing. You tell me the
diplomatic
lesson where
answer.
you learn. May I ask you if you ever do that?
Yeah, we do that before.
All right. See, all of you are guilty. You.
Sometimes, well, nothing wrong with that. Sometimes you have to breeze.
Sometimes you have to breathe
Come on,
and sometimes
breathe.
you have to make people miss you too, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you seem too accessible, the person take you for granted too. So
I
sometimes
just
you have to
think-
allow them, make them simmer, make them stew down, man. You understand?
I just think that it's important, the communication with this so-called texting is to be on the same page.
Yes.
Yes.
One person may want it to grow into something more, and one person is just kind of killing time.
And guess what,
Like
too?
out of boredom or...
That's true.
You
And
know?
guess what? With these textationships, right? When you type, you are not actually hearing the person's tone or their voice. So sometimes they might type something and you think you hear them voice in your head
Yeah.
saying it, or you take it the wrong way, and you might think that, oh, they're having an attitude, and probably the person doesn't mean nothing by it, and them not say nothing by it.
But
you know,
if
but
you-
you put your tone and your own voice to it.
If you
So
are-
it cause
And people
unnecessary
do have
problems.
different writing
If you're
styles.
texting somebody for in a textationship, if you're in a relationship with a person but via text, you know the person's tone, you know how the person
No,
attacking.
never
you know,
assume. I've learned that.
No,
Never
not
ever
all the
assume.
time.
Because sometimes
But
somebody
sometimes
might
you
say,
vex.
love ya, and you're like, oh my God, he's in love with me.
And
No,
you know mean
it just
nothing.
mean like,
just a
bye-bye.
big up yourself.
Right.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah,
so,
just a big up yourself.
guys, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Guess what? Before we go, hands up. Textationships, can they work? Yes or no? Hands up. Can they work? Oops! People, if you're in a textationship, run left now. All right. Textationships, Trish and Triple X and Talia. Wait, so what me name? Takina? I thought there was about really?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Anyway, we've got more relationship stuff
Right
after the break.
This is how we do